So today we're going to be doing some layering technique. Well, this layering technique, usually 90-degree technique, we're going to do off the scalp, straight away 90 degree, perpendicular to the growth. However, today, instead of going like this technique or either orange section, I'm going to show you a different way to layer the hair. And we're going to start from directly from the layers from the back. So we're going to take one section from here, and this will be our guideline. Just take one section straight and take it up very straight, nice straight up. And this is going to be as we go in this way. So we're going like that. We're going like this, like a V. Can you see now? It's like a V. If we come like this, it's going to be V. And then we come in here exactly the same way. This way, it's coming down, and that is going to give more bounce here to the front, and also it's going to create some nice layers as well. Now, how much we're going to take it off? Of course, the first section, always you have to have an idea. Two things: how short it's going to be, and what technique are you going to use. Are you going to cut blunt cut, or are you going to do point cut? So that is the technique you should know. Is texture is given to the hair. So first is first. How short should we go? So should we say around there? Yeah. So we go in straight away up like this, and I'm coming. I can cut straight away like this. Cut this hair. Now, as you can see, straight away, straight, it's coming up. Now, when I bring this hair down, I know where it is. So what I'm doing, taking my second section exactly the same way in coupler section, very straightforward. Always make sure you see your guideline. Always make sure you see your guideline and you're not leaving any length. Now you go for the second one. You're taking and straight away up. And you will see in the end, you're not seeing any hair is needed to cut. So the last hair, so you're taking, over directing all the hair exactly the same direction, so you have no hair left to cut. Now you bring it down and you're doing exactly the same technique. No line, no anything is there. So it's simple, absolutely simple way to cut it. Now, I'm taking this section here again. And also, I have a guideline now, is this part. I take this one from here as a middle, as my guideline. So I'm going to take exactly straight, like this, making sure I can see my guideline. If I don't see my guideline, I'm not going to cut the hair. Make sure you always see your guideline, guys. That is the most important part. So, obviously, because I'm doing on the camera, I'm just trying to otherwise I would go the other side to cut it, but because I'm trying to show you, that's why I'm standing here to make sure you can see better. Comb your hair nicely up and down like this, and then you cut it nice and straight. And then don't leave the hair down, take this hair all together. Now the last two sections, I take it all directly on top. As you can already see, no hairs is there to cut. Now even the last one is you're not going to see any hair to cut at all. Now I bring all this hair down, beautifully, nicely shaped. Now I'm going to go to this section. As it says, we come in exactly like this, like that. So, first is first, we bring this hair down and we take one section like this cross and take one section from the side to make our guideline, and we can come straight up like this and cut all this hair. Then take our second section like this and cut it exactly the same. If you have any comment, by the way, you can ask your question. I will do my best to help you, to support you, because really our aim to make a hairdresser is to learn more quicker. Now, that is again no any line in the hair. This is very simple. This technique is very simple. So now we take into this side. Yeah. Take.
Okay. Yep, I'll send that now. Thank you. Bye.
So we're taking our second section. Now, by the way, styling this is really important. So we're going to make sure we are styling our hair correctly, because the styling is as important as the cutting. If you don't style your hair correctly, you're not going to get better result. So we take all this hair down. And then, after I blow dry, I will come and texturize in the hair to make sure all the hair is nicely been texturized as well.